Ever wondered why BuzzFeed quizzes go viral every single time? They're fun, personal, and insanely shareable. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can create BuzzFeed-style quizzes with Outgrow that capture attention and keep users clicking till the end. Take this real example, a BuzzFeed-style Harry Potter personality quiz. Each answer contributes to a personality outcome like Harry, Hermione, Draco, or Ron. You answer the fun questions like, pick a movie, which object do you most desire? What is your favorite food? Pick a drink, pick a song. Where would you like to hang out? Pick a potion, pick a magical creature. And at the end, people proudly share, I got Hermione. That's what makes these quizzes spread like wildfire. These quizzes work because they feel personal, tap into emotions and fandoms, are quick and addictive, and encourage social sharing. What if you could create BuzzFeed-style quizzes like this, without writing questions manually, without designing layouts, and without any technical skills? That's exactly what Outgrow does. I'll walk you through how to create a high-converting, trend-driven quiz using Outgrow's AI-powered platform. Start by heading to the AI Marketing Tools section from the main menu, where you'll find a wide range of specialized AI tools built to support different marketing goals. If you're looking for a more seamless experience, you can explore our all-in-one AI marketing solution. Simply click Try Now and enter a prompt to get started. For example, discover your wizarding world. Alter ego, which Harry Potter character embodies your personality? Within seconds, the AI automatically starts building the quiz structure for you. The AI creates personality-based questions, multiple-choice answers, and character outcomes. Each answer reflects a personality trait, and the AI uses this to match users with the right character. Once the AI generates everything, you simply review it. Want to tweak something? Simply tell what you'd like to change. Once everything looks good, type Save it to continue. Then it will ask if you are creating this content on behalf of a company and about the welcome screen image. And your full quiz is created instantly. No coding, no manual setup. You can preview the quiz or open the editor to customize it further. Use the Design tab to align the quiz with your brand. Upload your logo, apply your color palette, add a background image, customize fonts, and refine the layout. Go to every question and connect its path to the most relevant outcome. You can also add a lead generation form to capture emails before showing results. This section shows all the possible quiz outcomes: Harry Potter, Hermione, Ron, and Draco. Once everything looks perfect, click Go Live. Your Harry Potter quiz is now ready to be shared. You can share it as a link, embed it on your website, or include it in emails and landing pages. That's how easy it is to recreate a BuzzFeed-style viral quiz using Outgrow's AI assistant. And you can build many more quizzes just like this for any audience or business goal. Want to create your own BuzzFeed-style quizzes that go viral? Start your 7-day free trial with Outgrow and let the AI do the magic. No coding required.